Sawadee-ka! Hello everyone, I'm Jade Marissa and this is Muay Thai for Beginners Lesson 2. We will start off this lesson by adding on to the footwork moves that we have learned in the previous lessons. This movement is called chak, which is a 90-degree pivot to either side. Last lesson we learned basic footwork: forward, back, left, right, as well as free punches, straight, hooks, and uppercuts. Now we will learn chak, or pivot to the right and to the left. So I'm going to shift my weight onto the ball of my front foot, and as I do so, I will pivot 90 degrees to my right, stepping my right foot back into guard position. Let's do that together in a circle, going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the left. Again, the weight will shift onto my front foot and my back foot will take a diagonal step. My left foot will follow in front to return into guard position. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We use this movement to pivot away from our opponent. We can also use it to set up our next shot. Now we will move on to elbows. Get into guard, and starting with my right side, this is sok D. I lift my elbow up straight and come down at a diagonal line, up and down. Imagine cutting a diagonal line across your opponent's face. Notice as I elbow, my body movement follows. 5 times together. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing with the left. You take a small step and your body follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Next is sok dat, or cutting the elbow. Our elbow cuts a straight line in front of us parallel to the floor. Again, my body twists in the same direction as my elbow. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same with the left. I take a small step and my body twists in the same direction as my elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's combine sok D and sok dat 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The last elbow of this sequence is sok nat, or uppercut elbow. Starting with the right, I take a small step forward with my front foot and lift my elbow up in a straight line. At the same time, moving my body in the same direction as the attacking elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the same thing with the left. I take a small step and my body follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now let's practice all of the elbows together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's recap everything we've learned so far. Footwork: forward, back, left, right. Chak or pivot to the right and pivot to the left. Straight punches, hooks and uppercuts, elbows, sok di, sok dat, and sok nat. Now let's make a small combination. One step forward and a straight punch with the right, step back and a left hook. Pivot to face the right and a diagonal or sok di elbow with the right. Again, step forward and punch with the right, step back and hook. But now as you hook, I want you to pivot at the same time. Pivot and follow with the right elbow. Five times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. We'll do one more recap and practice all of the elbows 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. I will put all of these movements together and demonstrate how to shadowbox with these techniques. You can be creative and make your own combinations. Try to make sure that you use all of the moves and footwork that we have learned so far. You can practice on your own and please enjoy. You can watch this video over as many times as you need to. Thank you for watching my tutorial and I'll see you again next time. สวัสดีค่ะ